Poutine is like basically fries with some cheese and some gravy. And I'm gonna cook up just some store-bought steak fries. I'm gonna just pop these in the oven and get them extra, extra crisp. See you later, boys. Now, poutine is served with cheese curd. That's these guys, kind of irregular pieces of sharp cheese. We're gonna melt the cheese curd on top of the fries after they're nice and crispy. And then we're gonna top it with a gravy that's a mix. It's thickened up beef and chicken stock combined. If you can't get cheese curd, if you live in the Northeast, you probably can buy cheese curds. All you gotta do is shred up or coarsely crumble some really good white sharp cheddar cheese. Same dip. So when your store-bought steak fries are hot, season them with salt and pepper, pile them all together in the middle of the tray, and cover them with cheese curd to melt down over the top, or shredded white cheddar cheese. So then we pop these back into the oven, of course, to melt the cheese. Okie dokie. Already in the pan, I've made roux, equal amounts of melted butter. When it foams, add your flour. I'm gonna put a little more black pepper in this too. I like a lot of black pepper in my gravy. And then to the roux, we add chicken stock. Then you use double the amount, so 2-to-1 ratio of beef stock. And here's where it gets a little weird. You add a second thickening agent, a slurry or a dissolved solution of water and cornstarch. And then we're gonna whisk that in as well, and it'll kind of gloss our gravy. So we're gonna let this thicken up. When we come back, we'll serve it up. Now we're going to go deep with the poutine. So this is our double thickening agent, our cornstarch slurry into our combo of chicken and beef stock with black pepper. And it's gonna get good. And you take a bunch of your poutine,